students, good noon. This is Nidhi Ghetia. Today we learn the our today we learn the our subject that is a pharmaceutical organic chemistry one that's called is a BP 202 TP. Okay, so in this subject we will learn the our first chapter, that is introduction of the organic chemistry. Okay, so in this chapter we take this topic today, that is a structure isomerism of inorganic components. Okay, so today we learn the isomerism. So what is isomerism? What is the definition of the isomerism? So in this, isomerism are the components which have the same molecular formulas but different in the chemical and physical properties. Okay, molecular formula are the same but different in the physical and chemical properties. That's called the isomerism or isomers. Okay, and components a structure. What is structure isomerism? So that components having the same molecular formula but different in a structures are called the structural isomer, and this phenomena is known as the is called the structural isomerism. Okay, so in this, what is structure isomerism? So in this, same molecular formula but different in the structures, that's called the structure isomers, and this process is known as the structural isomerism. Okay, so in this, five types of isomerism. First one is a chain isomerism, position isomerism, tautomerism, metamerism, and functional isomerism. Okay, these are the five isomerisms of the organic components. So in this, here first one is a chain isomerism. So in this, same molecular formulas but different in the arrangement of the carbon chains. Okay, in this, what is in done? So for same molecular formulas but different in the arrangement of the carbon chain within the molecules, that's called the chain isomers, and phenomena that's known the same chain isomerism. Okay, so what is in done? So carbon's molecular formulas are the done but different in the arrangement of the carbon atoms. Okay, so that is a chain isomerism. Second one is a position of the isomerism. So in this phenomena, position of the double bonds are the different. Okay, so here same molecular formula, structure are the same the structure but different in the position of the double or triple bonds, that's known the position isomers, and phenomena is known as the position isomerism. Okay, in this process, what is done? So same molecular structures but different in the position of the double or triple bonds. Okay, double or triple bond of the functional group, so that's known as the position isomers, and that phenomena is known as the position isomers. Okay, here first structure is a one butene and two butene. So what is different in first double bond is attached with the first and second carbon, and second two butene, in here second and third carbon, double bond attached with the second and third carbon. Okay, so also butene, so in this triple bond attached with the first and second carbon and two butene. So here also second and third carbon attached the triple bond. Okay, then third one is a functional isomerism. So compound which have the same molecular formulas but different in the functional groups are called the functional isomerism, and phenomena is known as the functional isomerism. So here what is done? So same molecular formulas but different in functional groups. Okay, same molecular formula, like atoms are same but different types of the functional group, making the different types of the functional group. So here C3H6O has the fourth functional isomerism. Okay, so C3H6O, so first one is a first isomer is a acetone, second one is a propanol, third one is a allyl alcohol, and then fourth one is a methoxyethane. Okay, then fourth process is a metamerism. So in this process, compound having the same molecular formula is the same but different number of the carbon atoms on either side of the functional group. side of the functional group. Okay, so that's called the metamers, and phenomena that's known as the metamerism. Okay, here same molecular formulas, molecules are the same but different in the carbon atoms on either side of the functional group. Okay, ફંક્શનલ ગ્રુપની બિસાઇડ જે પણ મોલેક્યુલ્સ કાર્બનના એટમ્સ અટેચ થયેલા છે તેમાં જે ડિફરન્ટ ટાઈપ્સના ફંક્શનલ ગ્રુપ બને છે તેને કહેવાય છે metamerism. Okay, this phenomena is known as the metamerism. Okay, so here example of the diethyl amine. Then fifth one is a tautomerism. So in this it occurs due to 1,3 migration of the hydrogen atoms from one polyvalent atom to other within the same molecule. Such isomers are called the tautomers, and this phenomena is known as the tautomerism. So in this process 1,3 migration of the hydrogen atoms and making the polyvalent atom. Okay, and making the polyvalent atom within the same molecule. So molecules are the same, but in this 1,3 migration of the hydrogen atom. Okay, so best example is this process, that is a keto and enol form. Okay, so acetaldehyde that is a keto form, and vinyl alcohol is a exolic form like enol form. Okay, this is a reversible or irreversible process. Okay, so here we complete this topic and end of our chapter, that is a introduction of the organic chemistry. Okay, so thank you to all.